The border dispute. See, border dispute is mainly related to one area called Kala Pani, that is in the northwestern part of Nepal. Northwestern part of Nepal. So, let me just a second. I will just show you that particular portion. Northwestern part of Nepal, that is Kala Pani. I am just opening it. Okay. Yeah, I hope you can see this. So, this is the northwestern part of Nepal, and the border. See, as per our understanding right from the beginning, okay, the border is this is the western border of Nepal, that is the Kali river. Okay. This region, this is the Kali river, and right from it, I will just come to that history part a bit. So, then you will be understanding that. So, the issue is related to the origin of the river. We are saying what was agreed right from 1816, British India and Nepal. The border between India and Nepal, the British India and Nepal was fixed as the Kali river. East of Kali river is Nepal and west of Kali river is India. That was the understanding right from the beginning, but the issue was where is the origin of this Kali river, that is what has created the trouble. Okay. So, now let me just talk about the that particular issue and how this dispute emerged and started in the last 1 year. It is a majorly from 2019 things started going terribly wrong for India and Nepal, and that is what I would like to discuss. So, first of all, after the August, okay, let me just come to that particular point first. On August 5th, 2019, it was a big day in Indian history because we have abolished Article 370 and unilaterally, and I have critically looked into that particular aspect many times, and that was a unilateral decision by India without any consultation with the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and we have abolished Article 370, we have abolished Jammu and Kashmir as a state. Now, we created 2 union territories, one is Jammu and Kashmir and another is Ladakh. So, that is another part, but because of that creation, the Survey of India published a new map of India in November 2019. Okay. In November 2019, we published, the Survey of India published a new map, and in the new map, the way the Nepal boundary, the Kala Pani region, I will just come to that, the Kala Pani region, the way it was depicted, the people of the Nepal objected. Okay. So, the issue started with November 2019 because of the map and the boundary between India and Nepal, the way it was shown, and then then at that time itself there are some protests. In May 2020, defense minister, our Indian defense minister Rajnath Singh, he inaugurated an 80-kilometer road. Okay, 80-kilometer road originating from Ghatia Bagar, and which is terminating at a place called Lipule. Lipule Pass, Lipu. Okay, let me just write again. So, an 80-kilometer road, and it is this is from the Lipule Pass, we are moving into the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Okay, we go in the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. From India, we enter into China through this Lipule Pass. Okay, so this Lipule is written there, and we have constructed a road and a through, and this region, which is this red line what is shown here is what is claimed by Nepal. See now, so what has happened is originally what was what is the Nepali understanding is the or Indian understanding is the Kali river originates from this Kalapani or south of Kalapani, Kali river originates, that is what our understanding or that is what we are claiming. But Nepal says this is not the origin of the Kali river has a different origin, and they claim that this Kali river is originating from a place called Limbiadhura, and the river is flowing like this and coming down. But India says it is originating from somewhere in Kalapani, and the boundary between India and Nepal is extending from Kalapani to Lipule the way we are showing. So, the dispute is this junction we can say from here India says the boundary will go like this, whereas and with meeting the China border, and but Nepal says the original tributary of Kali river is originating from Limbiadhura, and from Limbiadhura so around 335 square kilometers of area. Okay. So, the disputed area is approximately 335 square kilometers, and the dispute is related to the origin of the river Kali river, because the historically if you look in 1816 there was a treaty between British India and Nepal which ended the Anglo-Nepal war, and which is called the Treaty of Sugauli. Treaty of Sugauli 1816, Kali river is the boundary, but the dispute is related to from where it is originating. Indian argument is Kali originates south of Kalapani. Nepal says it is originating from Limbiadhura. So, the main tributary of Kali is originating from Limbiadhura. India says no, the main tributary is originating from south of Kalapani, and from Kalapani the Indian boundary passing through a ridge meeting at Lipule. So, according to India, from Kalapani along a mountain ridge the boundary extends to Lipule Pass. It is, we are holding the territory, but Nepal is objecting to that. Okay. So, they are objecting to that. Now, what happened was that when this new road was constructed, and see first they objected in November itself when India published the map, then the new road constructed till Lipule, when it was inaugurated through a video conferencing, they objected again. So, the Nepali nationalism reached its peak, and immediately what they did is they met the parliament. The Nepali parliament was met, and they passed a resolution in May, on May 20th, 2020, they passed a resolution saying that this is the region, and they also on 22nd of May 2020, Nepal passed a constitutional amendment. Constitutional amendment and including changes in the relevant schedules and all, and they realigned the map, they realigned their boundary, showing 335 square kilometers as Nepali territory, which is in the hands of India. Okay, please understand, even though they passed a constitutional amendment, even though they made a new map, but this territory is still with India only. We have recently inaugurated the road till Lipulekh. We are holding the territory. So,